Hey everyone, what is up? What is me? So I hope you're having an amazing day. And right now we're playing Roblox Got Talent. It's so close to me, my turn. And yeah, so I think this girl's next. I'm after her. So yeah, we're just gonna spectate. I'm doing dino jumps. This is what dino jumps looks like. That's why I haven't found it. Because dinos are awesome. I like dinosaurs and dinos. Yes. Done. She finished. Why would you give her an X? Oh, I thought, I'm just like, why? Nice. Oh, congratulations! You got the collection buzzer. Quick. Awesome. Okay, who's next? Who's next? Oh, I'm next. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to say. I'm just gonna quickly type in what I'm going to say. I just have a question. Are you guys a fast typer or a medium typer? Like if you go like a medium typer, or a fast typer, like I am. Or if you're a slow typer, be like, yeah, that used to be me. Until I started playing on the laptop a lot. Oh, I'm next. Oh, she got the golden buzzer. Oh no, I'm scared. Oh, well, it's me. Okay, we're on. Okay. Why did you already give me an X? And do anything? I'm gonna roll my sleeves so you know I don't mess up. There's a lot of pressure on me right now. Like a lot. If I fail, I'm gonna be like, oh my goodness. I've just ruined my life. Hey. What? They already gave me X's? See, we both are failing at that. Oh, I failed again. What? What if I finish it this time? Oh, they reset their buzzers. Why? Why? Next time I'm doing red jumps. Can I take stage? Can I stay on stage? Please. Oh, Why? Okay, we're gonna go again. Ooh, I want to be a judge. Judge. Hey, I'm a judge. I'm a judge. Yeah. I'm a judge. Yeah. Judge. Woo. I'm a judge. Hi, hashtag. I'm me. This is my first time here, and today I'm doing purple jumps. Okay. Awesome. I don't care. Yeah. So I do it. So I like doing this. What? They already give her X? Well, I want to be like them. X. You fail. Then you. Then. What if I press win? I think so nice. Oh, she is lost. For 3 judges. 3 judges. 3. Okay, I'm done. You said. You know what I'm going to do? Randomly give. Oh, I have to wait 21 minutes. No, I have to wait 13 minutes and 21 seconds. Okay, fine. If you're so picky. Hi, my name is rude. I mean, like, girl, why? I'm Lala. Once again, I'm doing piano. This is this time. Hear me out. Okay. Oh, cool. Well, I think we're going to end it right here. But if you like the video, please give thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you never subscribe to this channel, hit the bell so you never miss one of my videos. And comment down below what's your favorite color, because I wanna know. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, which might be today. Bye!